Most commonly asked questions for senior carers and their perfect answers, Part 2. 1. Why have you chosen our company to work? Answer: I have researched your company and am impressed with your values, culture, and reputation in the industry. I believe that this company aligns with my own personal and professional goals, and I am excited to contribute to its success. 2. What are your greatest strengths? Answer: my greatest strengths include excellent communication skills, empathy, active listening, leadership, and attention to detail. I also have experience in managing and prioritizing tasks effectively. 3. What are your greatest weaknesses? Answer: I tend to be a perfectionist and may sometimes spend too much time on one task. However, I have been working on balancing my perfectionism with efficiency and time management. 4. What do we mean by safeguarding? Answer: safeguarding refers to the measures taken to protect vulnerable individuals from abuse, neglect, and harm. This includes identifying and reporting any concerns, providing appropriate support and intervention, and ensuring that the individual's safety and well-being are a top priority. 5. What is the meaning of moving and handling? Answer: moving and handling refers to the techniques used to safely move and position individuals with limited mobility. This includes using specialized equipment, such as hoists and transfer boards, and following proper procedures to prevent injury to both the individual and the caregiver. 6. What does health and safety mean? Answer: health and safety refers to the measures taken to ensure the physical and mental well-being of individuals in the workplace. This includes identifying and mitigating risks, providing appropriate training and equipment, and promoting a culture of safety and responsibility. 7. Explain how you would handle someone under your care who was either upset or confused. Answer: I would approach the individual with empathy and respect, and try to understand their concerns and preferences. I would provide reassurance and comfort, and work with the care team to develop a plan that meets their needs and preferences. 8. Tell me about a time when you demonstrated a commitment to the quality of care? Answer: I once developed and implemented a new care plan for a resident with complex needs. I worked closely with the care team to ensure that the plan was personalized and tailored to the resident's needs and preferences. This resulted in improved outcomes and increased satisfaction for the resident and their family members. 9. As a senior carer, if you see someone is abusing a resident, what will you do? Answer: I would report the incident immediately to my supervisor and follow company policies and procedures for reporting abuse. I would also provide support and care to the resident and work with the care team to ensure their safety and well-being. 10. As a senior carer, if you see a conflict between two staff, what will you do? Answer: I would approach the situation with empathy and respect, and try to understand each person's perspective. I would work with the team to find a resolution that works for everyone, while also keeping the residents' needs as the top priority. Please subscribe, like and share this video for upcoming interview questions and answers from various industries. Stay tuned.